everyone! It's MCPE Koby and today we're going to be playing remote control simulator. So we have cars, we have helicopters, and we have boats, and we have some airplanes. So I'm gonna do this again with no fail. Ready? No fail. No fail. Yes. Yay. No fail. No fail. No. Come on. Yeah. Yes. I'm not going in the grass. I'm not going into the grass. Yes. Let's go to the grass. Let's move on to the next one, which is plane.
Ako personally, masaya ako.
Let's go and field for
at sa effort ninyo para
what else?
kailangan na ng mga formalities, pero yung report ko ang magsisilbing basis para ma-finalize yung adoption dito sa mesa. Pero kung kayo maganda kasi sa proof naman na kayo, talagang magiging parte na lang kami dito sa
yeah, fly! Kaboom! Kaboom! We're flying! Yes! Yeah! We're flying! We'll fly and then go in here and then fly again! Go and fly! Yes. Let's go fly. No.
Maghuhugas ka na nga sa banyo eh. Pinaliligo ba kita? Tignan mo oh. Pati yung baba mo ang lagkit-lagkit.
Yeah, we're flying. Yes, that's right.
Kamot dito, kamot dun, kamot dun.
That's right. I'm flying. No, God. No. Why am I crashing? I'm so deep. Oh no, yes, fly. Fly! Yeah, that's right. That's right, well.
Excited ako kung may alam sa phone. Why magkaroon ng sariling pamilya? At saka po maganda ang paksi ko. Kailangan maganda ka doon.
But anyway, let's go. Just keep going. Keep her moving. Keep her going. Keep her moving.
Spaghetti or
Just straight down and then go up. And then go down and then go up and then go down, go up. Go up. I mean go up. No! Oh, shit. I'm gonna try another thing. Let's go this way. This thing's very good. And turn and pull up. Fuck. Oh shit. Oh my god. This thing is try another one. Oh, yes.
Magugas ka na ng paano.
Sarili kong segment ng
Sige na,
And
kasasama
track.
kita.
Boy. Kasi yun talaga yung mga
Sige na.
magsaya, tumawa, invited ka sa celebration ng Sunday Pinasaya.
Oh, no.
Pwede mo yan saan ka mo lalabas. Pupusutin mo.
No, god damn it. Turn around, pull up. Turn down, man. Pull up. No. That's not. Let's go for another model that helicopter sucks.
Buti ka pa naalala mo yung birthday ko. Si TJ, hindi pa na niya ako nakilala.
Let's go right here. Let's start there. Go hit it. Hit the target. Yes. Pull up. Yeah. We hit it. Come on. Can we do it? Yes, we can do it. And then we'll do that again. And then we can do it again. But am I stuck? No. Guys. Let's go reset. Come on. Let's go. Attention. No, why? God damn it. No, get it. Come on, pull up. Go now. Yeah, we're breaking another mark. Yeah, that's not pretty much a mark. But we can get... Guys! We can go over there. What the hell? Well, let's skip this ball. So let's go this march. Let's skip this march. Turn it up and let's go over there and then straight up and let's go another. So we have done that cut. So the planes are very cool, so let's play! Alright, the plane is very, very cool. Up and go down. And go up. And then we're down! Yeah! Let's go with it. Let's just keep playing. Fly and then turn around. And then fly again. And then we crash! That's right. Little bitch. There you go, fly. And go. Turn up. And then go. And then go down. And then just, god damn it, no!
Uy, asan na yung 5 peso dito?
Fly again, and then we're crash.
Koby, bumaba ka nga muna.
So I'm moving another video, blitz. Turn around again and fly! Yay! That was close. Laps. Flat gear on. Oh yeah! Yeah, that's right. I'm flying. Oh! Ow, frick. God damn. Oh no. I crashed. I definitely.
Salamat po sa pag-imbitahan ko.
Hello.
Ako na dito, bebe.
Up aboard and just
Kasi ko kasi tingin ka na tingin sa akin kanina.
stream.
Nakarating ko lang. Ako si Sabina Moran.
Sabina.
Buka na, upo.
Alright, let's go another.
Baka kasi nahihiya ka lang.
Buka na.
Let's stay with this. And then pull up.
Lalamig ka.
Sorry.
And go over there, then fly again. That's right, I'm flying. I'm an ass. I'm a bee. I'm just a fucking pilot. Yeah, I'm a pilot. Okay. So thank you so much for watching this video, guys. If you enjoyed, please subscribe. We'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.